A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to our online class. Today I am going to teach you division of fractions. Division of fractions. First, let me consider division of whole number by a fraction. Division of whole number by a fraction. So, division of whole number by a fraction. So here we can take one example, 3 divided by 1 by 2. So this is a whole number, right? This is a whole number. This is a fraction, proper fraction. So this is about division of whole number by a fraction. So that is equals to, so how to divide a whole number by a fraction, right? So here this is a whole number. So 3 is also, we can write it as 3 by 1 divided by 1 by 2. So here reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, right? So the reciprocal fraction of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So multiply 3 by 1 into 2 by 1. So that is equals to 3 by 1 into 2 by 1. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Let multiply 3 by 1 into 2 by 1. So that is equals to 6 by 1. This is your final result. Okay, actually our question is find the number of halves in 3. Find the number of halves. Halves means here 1 by 2 in 3. So the pictorial form is, so how many units are there totally? 3 units, right? How many units are there totally? 3 units. So find the number of halves in 3. So here this is half, this is also half, half and half, half and half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of halves in the 3, right? So 6 is our result. So here 6 is our result. This is the way we can divide any whole number by a fraction, or fraction by a fraction, or fraction by a whole number. Do you understand? Yes, right. Next, our topic is reciprocal of fraction. What is reciprocal of fraction? So, take one example, 3 divided by 1 by 4. So, that is equals to, here result is, this case is related to whole number by a fraction, right? So 3 by 1. So here multiply reciprocal form of 1 by 4. So 4 by 1. Result is 12, right? So take another example. So 2 by 7. So reciprocal form is 7 by 2. That is equals to, here result is, final result is 2 2 cancel, 7 7 cancel. Result we can get 1. So the fraction and its reciprocal, both multiplication will give the result 1. Right? Yes, a fraction and its reciprocal multiplication always result is 1. Next, So 2 by 7 into dash is equals to 1. We know that a fraction and its reciprocal gives the result, always gives the result 1, right? So here 2 by 7 is our fraction and its reciprocal form is 7 by 2. So here 7 7 cancel, 2 2 cancel, 1 1s are 1. This is our result. So the fraction and its reciprocal always gives the result 1, right? Yes. So that is equals to here. Let's take another question. So dash into 5 by 9 is equals to 1. We know a fraction and its reciprocal result is always, the multiplication result is always equals to 1, right? So the fraction becomes 9 by 5. So here 9 9 cancel, 5 5 cancel. Result is 1. Okay, right. So here this is your HW related to reciprocal of fraction. So what is the reciprocal of? So what is the reciprocal of 5 by 9 and 2 by 5? This is your HW question. So this is your, try this question. First one, will the reciprocal of, try this, this is, will the reciprocal of a proper fraction be a proper fraction? Will the reciprocal of a proper fraction be a proper fraction? This is your question. So answer is no. So here the reciprocal of proper fraction. So here proper fraction, let me take for example 2 by 5. So this reciprocal is 5 by 2, right? Reciprocal. So the reciprocal form is 5 by 2, right? So this is a proper fraction. The reciprocal of proper fraction result is always an improper fraction. This is a false statement, right? So next one, will reciprocal of improper fraction be a improper fraction? This is your, try this second question. This is your homework. Okay, for the first statement, will the reciprocal of a proper fraction be a proper fraction? So result is no. Why? Because so the proper fraction reciprocal form is always an improper fraction. Did you got my point? Yes. So from this example, we can generate a statement. The dividing by a fraction is, the dividing by a fraction is equivalent to multiplying the number by the reciprocal of that fraction, by the reciprocal of that fraction. From this example, we can generate a statement. The dividing by a fraction is equivalent to multiplying the number by the reciprocal of that fraction. So here this case is about whole number by a fraction, right? So this result is equivalent to multiplying the reciprocal of that fraction. So here reciprocal form is 1 by 2, reciprocal form is 2 by 1, right? So here 3 by 1 into 2 by 1, result is 6. Next case is dividing whole number by a mixed fraction. Take one example. So 4 divided by 3, 2 by 5. This is a mixed fraction, right? This is a whole number. So that is equals to, so mixed fraction may be converted into improper fractions may be converted into mixed fractions, right? So improper form of this mixed fraction is 3 5s are 15 plus 2, 17 by 5. So that is equals to, here whole number is 4 by 1, right? It is nothing but 4 is nothing but 4 by 1, right? So that is equals to, so here 4 by 1. So the reciprocal form of 17 by 5 is 5 by 17, right? So that is equals to 4 by 1 into 5 by 17. So finally result is 4 5s are 20 by 17. This is your final result. Okay, right. So this case is about dividing whole number by a mixed fraction. Whole number by a mixed fraction. Okay, right. Next case is division of fraction by a whole number. Division of fraction by a whole number. So take one example. 3 by 4 divided by 3. This is fraction. This is a whole number. So 3 is nothing but 3 by 1, right? So that is equals to, here 3 by 4. The reciprocal form of 3 by 1 is 1 by 3, right? So multiply with 1 by 3. So that is equals to, here 3, 3 both are cancelled, right? So 1 by 4 is your final result. Okay, 1 by 4 is your final result. So your next case is about division of fraction by another fraction. Division of fraction by another fraction. So take one example. 1 by 4 divided by 5 by 6. 1 by 4 divided by 5 by 6. This is a fraction. This is also a fraction, right? So that is equals to, so 1 by 4. So the reciprocal form of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5, right? Multiply with 6 by 5. So that is equals to, 6 1s are 6. 5 4s are 20. So here 2 table, here 2 3s are 6. 2 10s are 20. So 3 by 10 is your final answer. The reduced fraction form of 6 by 20 is 3 by 10. So here 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are 20. So finally we can get 3 by 10. Okay, right. So from this activity, according to dividing whole number by a mixed fraction, we can generate a statement for dividing whole number, for dividing whole number by a mixed fraction. Whole number by a mixed fraction. First convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction. First convert mixed fraction into an into an improper fraction. Then solve it. Right? From this activity, we can state that which activity? Whole number by a mixed fraction. This activity, for dividing whole number by a mixed fraction, first convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Then solve it. Right? Yes. Okay, my dear students, these are the topics we are discussed in our today's class, right? So this is about division of fractions. This class is about division of fractions. First one is whole number by a fraction. Whole number by a fraction. 3 divided by 1 by 4 for the example. Next one, reciprocal fraction. Reciprocal fraction means 3 by 4. Reciprocal fraction is 4 by 3. Okay. So next one, statement. Statement about division of fractions. So the statement is, here statement is, the dividing by a fraction is equivalent to multiplying the number by the reciprocal form of that fraction. Here result is 3 into 4 by 1. We can take reciprocal fraction here. Next one, whole number by a mixed fraction means this is a whole number by a mixed fraction is 1 by 2 is the mixed fraction. Okay, so for dividing whole number by a mixed fraction, first convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, then solve it. Okay, this is our statement about whole number by a mixed fraction. Next one, fraction by a whole number. Okay, fraction by a whole number, 4 by 5 divided by 3. Fraction by a whole number. Next one, fraction by another fraction. So 6 by 5 divided by 1 by 3. Fraction by another fraction. Okay, my dear? Right. So in exercise 4, first Roman, second Roman, third Roman and fourth Roman. These are all as your homework. If you have any doubts in this session, please contact my number. Thank you. Have a great day.